As you can see, we got a whole entire front row of Chevelles. Let's walk and talk about them. This one here in the front, 1971 Chevelle. It's black with the red stripes, the red interior, and the vinyl top. It's got a 454 with power brakes and a 12-bolt rear. She's beautiful under the hood, and the paint is nice and clean. Aftermarket set of wheels as well, with disc brakes in the front. Next to that one is a 71. This one's got the LS motor. It's also got overdrive. Looks like it's got power brakes and power steering. Super clean under the hood. This one's also got the aftermarket wheels with disc brakes. Next to that, a 1971. This one's got the 454 with aluminum heads and a 12-bolt rear. As you can see under the hood, everything is nice and clean, shiny. Power steering, power brakes on this one as well. How about a 1972 Chevelle sitting over here? This one's a 350 with overdrive, power steering, and power brakes. In the green with the black vinyl top. It's got the Love bench seat inside there. And aftermarket set of American racing wheels. Talking disc brakes on that one too. This is a 1971 as well, but this one's got the overdrive with the turbo, the Holley EFI Terminator. I mean, come on, this thing is sick. Power steering, power brakes. It's also got the bench seat. And of course, the last Chevelle on the front row here, 67 SS. This is a 402 with a 12-bolt rear. Also, Holley Sniper EFI. Power steering, power brakes. Drop top, true SS, 45.9. All right, guys, let's get out of here.